Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to the next move Unit 8 speaking test. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Lại Quỳnh Anh.
Quỳnh Anh, how are you today?
I am 7 years old.
How are you? I am
I am sick.
happy. I am happy.
I am happy.
Where are you from?
I am from Ninh Bình, Vietnam.
How old are you? How old are you?
I 7 years old.
Can you spell your name?
A-N-H-Anh.
Okay, now Queen Anne, let's look at the screen. Please tell me, what are these weathers? What's the weather?
Sunny.
Yes, it's sunny. What's the weather?
Rainy.
Yes, it is rainy. What's the weather? It is?
It is cloudy.
Yes, it is cloudy. And what's the weather?
It is snowy.
Yes, it is snowy. What is the weather, Queen Anne?
It is foggy.
Okay. And what's the weather?
It's hot.
Yes, it's hot. What's the weather?
Cold.
It's
cold.
Yes, it is cold. What day is it?
It Monday.
Good job. What day is it?
It Friday.
Good job. Now let's make a sentence with day and weather.
It's Sunday on sunny.
Again, it's
sunny on Sunday.
All right. Now, this is the final part of this test. Now, please answer these questions. Who are they? They are students. Okay. How is the weather? The weather is
sunny and cloudy.
Okay. What is he wearing?
Is white t-shirt.
He's wearing
white t-shirt and black trousers.
What is she wearing?
She is white t-shirt.
She's wearing
shirt and black skirt.
Okay, good try.